The shocking story of a 15-year-old girl who was rescued last night from a home in a Delhi colony where she was beaten and tortured. The police have now arrested the 50-year-old Vandana Dheer, her employer. She will be produced in court today. Now, the 15-year-old girl from Jharkhand was working as a domestic help in Delhi's Vasant Kunj, was brutalized by her employers over the last year. The police have booked them for assault and illegal confinement. The girl was rescued by a team from an NGO and admitted to a hospital with torture marks all over her. The police say there are knife injuries on her hands and a gash on her head. According to the police, the teenager's employers are two women, a 50-year-old and her 85-year-old mother. The woman works in a senior position in a private company. The girl in her statement says that she was brought to Delhi a year ago by her aunt when she started working as a domestic help. She says she was beaten, punched and kicked. The employers did not allow her to go home when she wanted. The girl has been undergoing the torture for the last 1 year.
Such a heinous crime has happened to this girl. The whole head was, smashed. The whole body, dog's bite is there. The girl is speechless. She is not able to speak anything. In this house, and they are well off. They are not poor people. They are well off. And these women came and said that we are living alone. The old lady is around 80, 85, 90 years old, and this her daughter is around 40 years old, and this poor maid. And the whole community, the whole Resident Welfare Association came forward. The whole community came forward that they said that we used to listen screaming from this house, but nobody had the dare to ever had guts to go and rescue this girl.
Now, the girl is currently in hospital. A Women and Child Development Minister of Delhi visited her. She spoke to NDTV's Tanima Biswas and said the shocking case has been fast-tracked by the government.
Find out how is she? Are they admitting her?
Yeah, they have already admitted her. It's not a question of when we admitted her. And so at the moment, the senior doctor was not there, but I checked on the others. And she has various kinds of marks on the body, and doctors would only be able to tell whether these are dog bites or what. But apparently, somebody is knifed also. Chakku is and the head is bleeding still. And the lady in question, suspect, has been arrested. And like medical care will be taken care of. And there are various private hospitals also on our panel, and we are sending her in an ambulance to Saket City, and she can be there for quite a while. The government will be bearing the expenses, and no issue as far as medical care is concerned. But at the same time, it's horrible, it's barbaric if it has happened, and obviously something has happened. She has that knife thing on her head.
Ma'am, last question. I know you.
All right, Women and Child Development Minister Kiran Walia there after visiting that young girl in hospital, saying that she was shocked by the barbaric act and that the Delhi government is going to fast-track the case against her employer. So let's now take you through the sequence of events, what really happened that led to this girl's rescue. Now, yesterday, the NGO Shakti Vahini got tipped off that a teenager was being abused by her employer and locked up in a flat in Vasant Kunj. When they reached the location at 6 p.m. with the cops, the elderly lady inside, who is 85, refused to open the door. The rescue team then had to wait another 3 hours before the daughter of the old woman, Vandana Dheer, returned to the house. But she returned with her lawyer. Now, the rescue team managed to get in and meet the girl. She was initially naked. That's what the reports say. And Vandana said that's because the pus on her body was healing. Now, the rescue team talked to the girl and found out that she is from Jharkhand and had been working at the house for a year, and she alleged that she is beaten up regularly and attacked with knives and sticks, even punched and kicked. Now, the team then took her to the Safdarjung hospital where she's been admitted for the night. The doctors have identified the deep gash on her head and hand has been caused by a knife. The head injury has become infected. There's also a fracture on a part of her skull. The police have registered a case of assault and illegal confinement. Also, they've added sections of bonded labor. The woman employee, Vandana, has been arrested this morning and will be produced in court today.